Yo, how's it going everybody? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we're going to be learning how do we take our beautiful app that's built right here and we create a bundle release, which we can then use to be able to push it onto the Google Play Store. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so this tutorial is going to be specific for macOS, and for Windows, I will attach a link in the description down below that you can follow for Windows tutorial. So the first thing we need to do is we need to open up our terminal. So I'm going to type terminal. Alright, so the first thing that we need to do is we need to create a file called upload-key-store. This upload-key-store file is going to be responsible for telling Google that we are who we say we are, we're the creators of the app, and that we can publish the app, and that we can also add updates to it. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to do cd, and we need to go to the home directory. Once we're there, we need to figure out exactly where our JDK path is associated. Some users don't actually have the same JDK path in Mac. So what we're going to do is we're going to type this command in our root. We're going to do /user/libexec/java_home -v 1.8 and then press enter. And then I spit out this little this directory right here. This is where we are going to be going into to be able to upload and create our key store file. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do cd and paste that and then go into there. Perfect. So now that we've done that, inside of this directory, we need to copy and paste a certain snippet of code that is going to be responsible for helping us create our key store file. And this is also in the description down below. You can just go ahead and copy it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually change the name of my upload key store file to be something different. I'm going to call it my-key-alias.keystore and then press enter. Alright, so now it's going to ask you to fill in some certain information like password, organization name, and whatnot. Make sure you keep that values memorized and saved somewhere like a notepad or something, and do not let that that key and those answers out anywhere, or else your app is going to be pretty much screwed and it can be exploited. So make sure you have these memorized and written down somewhere. Perfect. So after filling in all the information that was required, I was able to create my key store file right here within that directory I was talking about earlier. Alright, so now what I've done is I've opened up the folder version of where that file is located right here. And I've also opened up our any-anime-list folder, our project in VS Code. And the next thing that we have to do is we need to go into our Android folder, and we need to go into the Gradle properties. And at the very bottom here, on line 41, we need to copy and paste this snippet of code right here. This snippet of code is going to allow us to be able to place in all of our values for our upload key store, our key alias, our password, and whatnot. So just go ahead and copy it as is, and then what we're going to do is we're going to actually just replace the name here to be my any-anime-list -key.keystore. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave my key alias equal just as is right here, since that's how we also created our key alias. And I'm going to enter my store password and upload key password. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my key store file and I'm going to drag it into my Android app folder right here. And then I'm going to add it to my gitignore so it doesn't get pushed into my GitHub. Perfect. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my build.gradle file in my app folder. And in between my line 228 and 229, I'm going to add this release right here that checks if we have a key store file. And I'm going to change on line 245 our signing config from debug to release. So it's in release mode. And then I'm going to do cd android, and then I'm going to do /gradle w clean, just to make sure that everything is wiped clean, and then we can build our proper build. Alright, so now I'm going to do /gradle w bundle release. And so now it says that our build was successful, and the way that we can find our build is we have to go into our app, then click on build, then we click on outputs. It's going to be bundle, and then here is our bundle release. We can drag this and put it into our Google Play Store, and then it should upload perfectly fine. Alright, so I'm going to conclude the video here since we only wanted to create our bundle release. In the next video, we will actually learn how to create a Google Play store, and then push this into our testing, and then eventually publish it onto the Play Store. So stay tuned for that, and if you did enjoy this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.